Arun Jaitley taking charge as the Information and Broadcasting Minister. Remember, that was in fact one of the big surprises. And you can see Prakash Javadekar there, who has given up this ministry. It was an additional charge Prakash Javadekar was holding along with environment. So the INB ministry being given to Arun Jaitley, who is also the finance minister. He shared the defense portfolio yesterday. However, this was one of the surprises in the cabinet expansion when this additional charge of INB was given to Arun Jaitley. It was known, of course, that he would be giving up the defense portfolio so that he could concentrate on the economy and Prime Minister Modi's hopes and agenda for the economy, and Arun Jaitley, but also being given INB additional charge. You can see new Minister Rajyavardhan Rathore is also there, and Prakash Javadekar, who's handed over the INB ministry. Ketki joins us on the phone line for more. So Ketki, we can see the three ministers there in the frame right now, Jaitley, Prakash Javadekar as well as Rajyavardhan Rathore, and this was one of the surprises, wasn't it, when Arun Jaitley was given additional charge of INB?
Well, that's right. And in fact, in the past, if we've seen, the INB portfolio has often been a Minister of State with independent charge. This time around, there has been a change in that, and it is a cabinet rank because Arun Jaitley is a cabinet minister. So the INB portfolio now is being held by Arun Jaitley, a cabinet rank, and also this is an additional charge for him. His primary portfolio continues to be that of finance. He has been divested of the defense portfolio that has now gone to Manohar Parrikar. But interestingly, this time around, also Rajyavardhan Rathore, a junior minister, specifically for INB, has now been will join Mr. Jaitley as well. So it's an interesting change in that sense, because we've often seen that the Information and Broadcasting Ministry has only had one person usually to deal with it. Understandably so, this change also coming in because Arun Jaitley himself has a huge portfolio, that of finance.
Let's just listen in the minister speaking.
पिछले कुछ महीनों से सूचना और प्रसारण मंत्रालय में बहुत परिश्रम से इसको नेतृत्व दे रहे थे। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मुझे इस विभाग की एक जिम्मेवारी दी है और इसमें मेरे सहयोगी रहेंगे श्री राजवर्धन सिंह राठौर, और स्वाभाविक है कि वित्त मंत्रालय के अतिरिक्त मैं कुछ समय रोज यहाँ पर दिया करूँगा। ये एक प्रमुख विभाग है जिसमें माध्यम से भारत सरकार की जो कम्युनिकेशन है, हर मंत्रालय की कम्युनिकेशन है, वो इस विभाग के माध्यम द्वारा होती है। इसके अतिरिक्त आज मीडिया का जगत बहुत विस्तृत हो गया है। मैं पहले भी इस विभाग में रहा हूं, तब प्रिंट मीडिया ज्यादा था, थोड़ा सा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया था, लेकिन आज रेडियो का बहुत विस्तार हुआ है, डिजिटल मीडिया का बहुत विस्तार हुआ है। और एक जमाना था कि इस विभाग का सबसे प्रमुख काम दूरदर्शन और प्रसार भारती होता था। वो प्रमुख काम है, लेकिन आज पूरे इस बदली हुई सूचना प्रक्रिया जो है, उसकी ओर इस विभाग को देखना है। मुझे आज और कुछ नहीं कहना। आप सब यहाँ पर आए, आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और विशेष रूप से प्रकाश जी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और उन्होंने जो इस विभाग में काम किया उसके लिए उनका बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन।
How will you solve the Shiv problem? Is that something?
Some problems take care of themselves.
Can you say seconds, please, sir? Please.
Camera. Sorry.
हाँ चलिए चलिए प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगा। और मैंने जैसा कहा कि कुछ समस्याएं अपना हल स्वयं के लिए